Just 1 minute. I'm explaining. Let me connect this. See, in this question you have given, let, question number 7, let psi, or you can say universal set, is equal to set of all triangles in a plane. So in plane, so there will be different triangles. Suppose equilateral triangle is there, right? And isosceles triangle is there. Scalene triangle is there. Or right angle triangle is there. Any other? Isosceles, equilateral, right angle triangle. So, etc. Now, we have given A be the set. The angle different. All the triangles, set of all triangles, angles different from 60 degree. Right? So here it will also contain acute angle, obtuse, right, beta? So
Yes,
A complement, what will be your A complement? Just remove all the triangles who are having angles different from 60 degree. So you will remove this isosceles, this scalene, you will remove all. Only equilateral will stay. So your A complement set of all equilateral triangles. Got it, beta?
yes, ma'am, got it.
Got it? So this
Yeah.
is the answer. Jaswant,
Yes, ma'am.
good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
So Jaswant, today I'm taking your class to compensate the classes of next week, beta. Because on Thursday, on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I won't be able to take your class. Okay. So that's why to compensate those classes, today type class I'm taking. Okay. Up to hours.
Yes.
Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I will upload your test as well as your homework both on your resource PDF, on your resource icon, okay, folder in your Wise app. So kindly attempt your test as well as your homework also. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you understood just one this question? Have you done the homework? Just one?
Ma'am, I understood.
Beta, do your homework on daily basis.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. May we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, beta. So today we will complete this chapter, beta, this chapter sets, okay? because few portion is left only. So first of all, let's revise it. That beta find sets A, B, C. Don't this. If L is equal to, if L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and M is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and value of N is 1, 3, 5. Then you have to verify that L minus M union N will be equal to L minus M intersection L minus M. So, what will we do here, beta? What we have to do here? Jaswant? Dhanunjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, kindly unmute your mics, you both of
Yeah,
you.
yeah, ma'am. First, we have to take M union N, ma'am.
Yes, first of all, you will find M union N, right? So, M union N means, what do you
1,
mean by
3,
this?
4,
Yes, you have to write all the
1.
elements together. So, you will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now, in next step, what I have to write?
L minus M.
Yes. Now, minus M union N. What do you mean by this, Jaswant?
Ma'am, from M union N we must remove.
Yes. Now you will remove all the elements of M union N from L. Right? So what you will get here?
Ma'am, 5 and 6.
Null set.
Just see again. L
Null set.
minus M union N.
Null set, ma'am.
M union N. What is your M union N? Just check. This is not M union N. This is M. This is N union. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And L. L is your 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Two.
Now, Jaswant, what I will get here after removing it? Only 2? Because you will remove 1, 3 and 2, 4. So, what you will get only? 2. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Dhanunjay,
Yes, ma'am.
M union N, we have done. Now, find L minus N. What it will be?
L minus M is 1 and 2, ma'am.
Yes. L minus M is, L, write the elements of L first of all. 1, 2, 3, comma 4. Then minus 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our next step is just remove the elements of M from L. So what are the elements? 3, 4, 5, 6. So just remove 3 and 4. And you will get 1 and clear. In the same way, Jaswant, L minus L, tell me.
Ma'am, 1, no, 2 and 4.
Yes. 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. Just write here. 1, 3, 5. So now remove elements of 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 from this L. So you will get what you will get? 2 and 4. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now in next step, what you will have to do? In right hand side, First of all, we have solved left hand side. Now we are solving right hand side. So in right hand side, L minus N. So L minus M intersection L minus N. So just write these elements 1, 2 intersection 2, 4. So what is common here, beta? Dhanunjay?
Ma'am, 2.
2. So your answer is 2. Now see, beta, when you have calculated this L minus M union N, this is equal to 2 and this is also equal to 2. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanunjay and
Yes,
Jaswant,
ma'am.
all you both have understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note it down. Note this, Arya. And kindly turn on your camera also.
Ma'am, I can't turn on my camera right now, ma'am.
What happened, beta?
Ma'am, if I turn on my camera, my laptop will get overheat and it will get off, ma'am.
Okay, okay, it's fine.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Noting.
Dhanunjay and Jaswant both have written?
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Okay. Next is, suppose if questions comes like this, that where no set is given. And still then you have to verify. See, suppose a question comes like this, that for all sets A, B and C, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union C. Then justify your answer. So, beta, in this type of questions, what you have to do basically, you have to suppose the values of A set, B and C. And you have to take those values of A, like here we have to find A intersection B. So then something would be common. So suppose if I'm taking A set as 1, 2. Okay. And B set as 2, 3. So here 2 is common, beta. Now take C test. C set 3, 4. Now just check. Is this, they are equal or not? So First of all, we have to find A intersection B. So A intersection B. Dhanunjay, what will be A intersection B, beta?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Yes. You will get 2 only. Now, A intersection B union C. Just one?
Ma'am, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes. 2, 3, and right. Now, this is your left hand side. Now, come to right hand side. So, in right hand side, we have to find first of all B union C. So, Dhanunjay, what is your B union C, beta?
2, 3, 4, ma'am.
2, 3, 4. Yes, good. Now, just one. What is your A intersection B union C, beta?
Ma'am,
A
2,
is
3,
your
4.
1, 2, intersection union 2, 3, 4. What is common here, beta?
Ma'am, 2.
Only 2. So, is both are equal? Left hand or right hand side?
No, ma'am.
No. So, left hand side is not equal to right hand side as 2, 3, 4 is not equal to 2. So, this is not, these are not equal. Understood, beta?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
if this type of statement questions came in your exam or in your books, you have to do like this one. Clear? Kindly note this. Hurry up.
Ma'am, dead.
Okay. होता है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now see beta. Now we will be doing here practical questions. One more thing. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law means A union B complement is always equal to A complement intersection B complement. Union sign changes to intersection. And when intersection is given, then it will changes to union sign. So A complement union B complement. Clear beta? Now
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Now practical questions we will be doing here on cardinal numbers. See. I have told you then number of element in A union B is always equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Even with the help of Venn diagram we have explained. Have you remembered, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
In Venn diagram also, suppose this is your N universal set and these two are your sets. Okay. So now this is your set A, this is your set B. So A union B means this. So it means this set and B, whole set, then this intersection from both the side, it will be removed. Then it will be equal to a number of elements in A and a number of elements in B. So it was NA, number of elements in A union B. This main formula you have to learn. Now suppose children, if you have given in any question that suppose if you have given if n number of elements in A minus B is equal to 10 and number of elements in B minus A is equal to 8 and number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 3, then find number of elements in A union B and number of elements in A and number of elements in B. So Dhananjay and Jaswant, have you any idea how we will solve it? Now A minus B, this side, beta, this side,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So first of all, now see, again I am drawing a Venn diagram. See, now it will be clear to you. There are two sets, beta. See, this is your set A and this is your set B. This is set A and this is set B. Now this is your A minus B in green shade, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And in this brown shade, this is B minus A. Clear, beta? And this yellow one is intersection B, A intersection B. So how you can write A union B? Tell me. You can write like this. And A union B will be number of elements in A minus B. See in this green part. This is A minus B and this brown part is B minus A. So you can write as N A minus B plus N B minus A plus N A intersection B. May I write or not? I can
Yes.
write now. Jaswant and Dhananjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
we can write now.
Yes, ma'am, we can write.
Yes. So just put the values of A and A minus B is 10, B minus A is 8, and A intersection B is 3. So total elements are 21. Clear? First step. Understood? Now in second part, we have to find NA. So basically, what is your NA minus B? A minus B, what is it? So it is NA minus NA intersection B, right, beta? It will be NA minus NA intersection B. When you will remove, see, when you will remove, how you will get this part? This part you will get after removing this part from the whole this A part. Clear, beta? Jaswant and Dhanunjay, beta, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are not able to understand, just tell me. I will explain again. Dhanunjay,
Ma'am,
Jaswant.
understood.
Understood.
Okay. Now put the values of Na minus B is 10 is equal to Na and Na union B is 21. So just transpose it. Then number of elements in Na will be, how many are there?
31.
In intersection, I guess 3 elements are there, not 21, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So write here 3. So it will be 30. Now in the same way, you can find NB minus A. So it will be NB minus NA intersection B, beta. Now in B minus A, how many elements are there?
8.
8 is equal to NB, and in A and intersection A and B, 3 elements are there. So it will be equal to NB is equal to 11. Understood this thing? So from the figure only, you can find this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this.
Ma'am, done.
Both have written?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, next question. Suppose if you have given that in N union means number of element in union set in universal set 50 and total number of elements in A set is 30 and number of elements in A intersection B is 12 and number of elements in A union B complement is equal to 50. Then find NB and NB minus A. So what I will be doing here? Any guesses?
Mom is NB 20.
NB is 20.
No.
NB is 17, beta. See, beta, what is your A complement first of all? What is your A complement? Your A complement is remove the elements of A from the universal set. Am I clear? So in the form of cardinal number, you can write like this. N A dash is equal to N union and U minus NA. We can write like in this form. Tell me. We can write now, beta. So N A union B, we can find like this. A complement is equal to N number of elements in union set minus number of elements in A union B. Right? And this 15 number we have given. So just put the value here 15 is equal to number of element in union universal set 50. Then minus number of element in A union B. So just subtract. So you will get 35 is equal to number of elements in A union B. Clear, beta? Now next is we have to find number of elements in B set and number of elements in A set we have given. So we will apply this formula. Number of elements in A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Clear, beta? Now A union B we have find 35. NA is 30C. This is given 30. Plus NB you have to find out. And A intersection B is given 12. So just solve. 30 minus 12 is 18. So 35 minus 18 will be equal to number of elements in B set. So NB will be equal to 70. Clear, beta? Any doubt? Dhanunjay and Jaswant?
No.
I'm clear.
Clear? Okay. Now next is we have to find B minus A. So number of elements in B minus A, you can apply this formula. NB minus NA intersection B. Just draw the Venn diagram. If you are not able to learn all the formulas, so just draw a diagram. AB. Now this B minus A you have to find. B minus A. So how you will find this B minus A? You will subtract this A intersection B from NB. From total, you will subtract this only. So now number of sets in element set B is 17 and A intersection B is 12. So it will be 5. Understood, beta? Dhanunjay and Jaswant, beta, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note it down it. Then we will do same type of questions again.
No. By Venn diagram.
Jaswant, Dhanunjay, is there any doubt, beta?
Mom, explain the first step to Venn diagram.
Which one?
First step. NA. And
And A union B, this thing. Yes, beta, this step you are asking, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, basically I have told you what is your A complement. If universal set is given, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And A set is given 1, 3. Then what will be your A complement, beta? You will remove the elements of A from universal set. So you are removing 1 and 3. Then your A complement is 2, 4. So in words, you can write like this now. Your A complement is equal to universal set minus A. We can write, right? So in form of cardinal number, just apply n before them. Just prefix A. Use prefix n. So see here. Say n A complement will be equal to n union minus na. This step is clear, beta?
Yes.
So here instead of A dash, here instead of A complement, we are having A union B complement because in the question it is given. So instead of this A complement, I am writing an A union B complement. So it will be equal to N union minus an A union B only. Clear, beta? Now understood? Tell me. If not, then I will explain one more time.
Understood. Ma'am, noting is done. You can continue.
Yes, beta? What are you saying? Speak loudly.
But we have noted. You continue.
Okay, okay. You have noted. See, beta, this thing I am explaining with Venn diagram also. This is your rectangle and it contains universal set, means all elements, right? And there is only one set, this set A. This is your universal set, this is your set A. Okay, and it contains 1, 2, 3 elements only. And it contains 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 17. Okay. So, beta, universal set will be all the elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, and 17. Okay. Now your A complement, A set is 1, 2, 3. So what will be your A complement? A complement is all the sets except A in universal set. So how many sets are there? 5, 6, 7, 10, 17, 13, 12. These are A complement. These all are A complement. Now got it this thing? What I want to told you. Understood, beta? What I want to tell you?
Yes, understood.
Now this is clear now? So in the form of cardinal number, you can just use here n. You will write here n. So it will be an A complement is equal to an U minus ND. Clear? So in previous question, we have was given that A union B complement is equal to something 15, suppose. And you have to find A union B. So instead of A, this A complement, you can write N A union B complement. Just write here NU. Then again, instead of A, just write an A union B without complement. Understood? Now I guess it will be clear, beta. Just show me your thumbs up. Is it clear to both? Just one. Okay. Dhananjay, is it clear, beta, now?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now suppose question is of this type. If A and B are the two set and U is the universal set, the number of element in universal set is 700 and number of elements in A set is 290. And number of elements in B set is 240. Then number of sets in A intersection B is given 110. Then you have to find beta number of sets in A complement intersection B complement. This thing you have to find. So beta, just now I have told you the De Morgan's law that A union B complement will be equal to A complement intersection B complement. I have told you now this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So for this, we have to find first of all A union B complement. So here, and A is given and B is given and A intersection B is given. So we can find NA union B by this formula. And A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Clear?
Yes.
Now put the values. NA is 290, NB is 240, and this is 100. So 290 and 240. 530 minus 110 beta. So it will be 420. Clear? Now as we did in previous question. So A union B complement will be equal to universal set minus A union B. So in terms of cardinal, you can use just N. N, NU minus NA union B. Understood? Dhananjay, Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am.
Now A union B complement. Now number of elements in union is 700 minus and A union B is 420. So subtract it, you will get 280. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now in next we have to find N A intersection B complement. So I have already told you by De Morgan's law, you will write here that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And this is already now put N here for cardinal number. So this is 280 is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Understood? This is the answer. Clear, beta, Jaswant and Dhananjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this, Arya. Only this thing you have to keep in mind, that N means A complement is always equal to union minus A. U minus A, this thing you have to learn.
Ma'am, done.
Both have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now, okay, now we will do different type of question so that you will enjoy the questions, because I think you people are feeling bored, right? See, in a group of students, so 100 students like Hindi. 100 students like Hindi. Okay. And 50 students like English. Okay. And 25 both. 25 both. Then you have to find each of the students knows either Hindi or English. How many students are there in a group? So you have to find how many students are there in a group. So group is made up of the number of students who knows Hindi and English both. Right, beta?
Yes.
Right? So you can let A represents Hindi set and B represent English set. Okay. So number of elements in A set. Hindi. How many students like Hindi? Only 100. So you will write here 100. Clear? Now NB means how many students like English? Only 50. Now in the next line, 25 students like both. Both means intersection. So an A intersection B is 25. And you have to find that how many students are there in a group. So you will find an A union B. This thing we have to find out. Clear? So very easy. A is given, B is given, A intersection B is given. Just apply the formula, beta. NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Just apply the value, substitute the value. 100 plus 50 minus 25. So 150 minus 25, it will be 125. This is the answer. Understood, beta? If there is word come both, like both, that means this intersection is given. And if we will be asked that each of the students know either Hindi or English. So either or Hindi, either or. These two words come, that mean union. Okay, beta? Dhanunjay and Jaswant, understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Yes,
volume?
ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Please note this, Harya.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Both have written, beta?
Yeah.
Ma'am, yes. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now next is see, in a class of 25 students, right? 12 have taken mathematics. So I'm writing your question. In a class of 25 students, class contain 25 students. See, 12 have taken mathematics. 12 taken mathematics. 8 have taken mathematics. 8 have taken mathematics, maths, but not bio. And if each student has taken at least one subject, so find the number of students who have taken biology, not maths, both mathematics and biology. So, Dhanunjay, any idea, beta?
Ma'am, and A union B is 25.
Yes. So, first of all, you will write A represent maths
Yes,
and B represents
biology.
bio. Then A union B is given 25. Yes, good. Now, next. And you have given 12 like maths only. So, and A is equal to 12. And here it is given maths but not bio. Jaswant. Jaswant, unmute yourself, beta. So it will be A minus B. Means maths but not bio. Clear? So it is given 8. Understood, beta? Here 8 students are there who want to take maths but not bio. Clear? Now you have to find biology but not mathematics. So what you have to find here? N B minus A. And in second part, you have to find both mathematics and biology. Means an A intersection B you have to find. Understood, Dhanunjay and Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am.
That what we have to do here? So just solve the question. How you will solve it? Now, first part is bio, but not maths. So, and B minus A will be A union B minus N A. Clear? Now, N A union B is 25 elements are 25 students are there and 12 like mathematics. So, 13 students are there who will take biology but not maths. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanunjay, Jaswant.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Now in second, we have to find A intersection B. So we know that an A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus an A intersection B. So just put the values. A union B. B is 25. NA is 12. NB is 13. Or one more thing you can write here, NA union B, just wait.
We should use the formula N A minus B is equal
Yes,
to
you
NA
can write
minus.
an A minus B and an A plus B. Very good. So we can write an A minus B plus an B minus A plus an A intersection B. Okay. So here in A minus B, 8 elements are there. Eight plus 13 plus an A intersection B. You have to find out. So 8 and 3, 13, 21. So 21 and 25, 25 minus 21, 4. So 4 students are there who likes maths as well as bio. Clear, beta? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. Now next question you people will explain. Okay, you both.
Ma'am, done.
Both have written. Jaswant, Dhanunjay.
I completed.
I'm done.
Okay. Now next question is for you. You have to check this thing that okay. Out of 500 car owners, out of 500 car owners, investigated 400 own car A, 200 own car B, 50 own car A, own car both A and B. Own car both A and B. Is this car data is correct? You have to check this thing. That is this data correct? So I'm giving you,
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
question is out of 500 car owners. Okay. 400 own car B A, 200 own car B, and 50 on both car A and B. So is this data correct or not? You have to verify, you have to check this thing. So kindly check it with your own first of all. Try to check. Are you able to solve, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's the data is wrong.
Data is wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that totals 550 cars, not 500.
Okay.
N of
So,
A, 100 N of B 2.
mm-hmm. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer. There are total 370 cars.
3?
370 cars.
How 375 beta?
It's
Just check
400.
your answer. See, you cannot do like this with the Venn diagram also. Or see 400 own car A. So you can let A represent own car A. Okay. And B represent car B. Then here it is written that 50 own car A and B both. So that means A intersection B is 50. Right? Number of elements in A intersection B is 50. And NA is your 400. NB is your 200. Right? So now you have to find, just check. Out of 500 car owners, that means an A union B is given 500. You have already given this thing according to the question. Now we will check this thing. Now A union B will be equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Now values of elements in this 400 car owners are there, in NB 200 car owners are there, and in A intersection B it is 50. So beta 600 minus 50, it will be equal to 550. And this is not equal to the number of owners which are given in the question itself. So therefore data is incorrect. Understood, Dhanunjay?
Yes, ma'am. I took number of car B as 20.
Okay. So in this question, you have to check this thing only. Because out of 500 car owners is the given this. Okay. And children, if but not if there will be given that but not means 50 own car A but not B. It means A minus B is given. Understood? And if given like this, B not A, it means N B minus A. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanunjay, Jaswant, beta clear, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's start with next question. Now see, next question is, in an examination, 80% student pass in mathematics. 80% passed in maths. Okay. 72% in science. And 13% failed. I'm using a word failed here. Failed in both subjects. Means maths and science in both subjects. So if 312 students passed in both the subjects, then find the total number of students who appeared in the examination. Try to solve it. Jaswant and Dhanunjay, try to solve it, beta. First of all, write what is given here.
And the 312 students pass in both the subjects.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, here which both subjects, ma'am?
Which beta? 13% failed in both the subjects.
Both.
Yes. Done?
No, 1 minute.
What are you doing in your notebook, beta? What is your first step? This 80% passed in maths. So therefore 20% student will fail in maths now, right? Then 72% pass in science. Then 28% student will fail in math science, right? And 13% fail in both subjects. So you will find the number of students who failed in either of the two subjects, right? Now you have given 13% student fail in both maths and both the subject. So 20% maths in fail in maths. So 20 minus 13, it will be 7 now. So 7% only fail in maths. In the same way, 28% fail in science. So 28 minus 13, then it will be 15%. So 15% student will fail in science only. How you are doing? Dhanunjaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Just one, show me a notebook, beta. If you are able to on your
Ma'am,
camera.
in laptop I can't. So, like,
You both are not able to switch on their cameras.
Yes.
Okay, see here then. See, try to understand this question. See, we know that total person we are counting 100%, right? So 80% students passed in maths. Then number of students failed in maths, it will be 20 or not? 100 minus 80, it will be 20%. Dhanunjay, Jaswant,
Yes.
tell me, beta.
Yes.
Keep your mics on unmute. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now see, number of students passed in science, this is 72%. So number of students failed in science. Now 100 minus 72, it will be 28%. Clear, beta? Now these 28% will include also, now one child will also be there who failed in math and science both. It can be, na? Might be it happen that one child failed in both maths and science.
Yes.
So now we have given that 13% failed in both, means in maths and science. So now we will find number of students failed in maths only. In maths only, word I am using only. So number of student maths in failed in maths 20%. So 20 minus 13%, it will be 7%. Understood? Now
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of student failed in science. So it was 28%. So 28 minus 13. You will write 28 minus 13. So it will be 15%. Clear? Clear, hai beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanunjay? Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, total number, now number of students who fail in either of the two subjects. Total number of students who failed in, who failed in either of two subjects or both. So it will be, now add all these, 7% plus 15% plus 13%. So it will be beta 35%. Clear?
Yes.
Now we have to find the total number of students who appeared in the examination. So please note it down till here, then I will explain. Hurry up.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
And
Okay. Now 35% are the number of students who fail in either one subject or both the subjects. Okay. So it contains the students who failed in one subject, two subjects, okay, like who failed in maths and who failed in science only, and then in both. Okay, this can, so these are the 35% students. Now next, 35% are failed, then pass will be to 65%, na?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So number of students passed is equal to 100 minus 35%. So it will be 65%, beta. So if now you can apply here unitary method or like this, that if 312 students passed in both the subjects, you have given this condition. So we will apply there. So 65 student pass when total number of students are 100. Right? Then one student will pass. So 100 by 65. Now we have given 312 student pass. So you will write here 100 upon 65 into 312. Just solve. 13 5 is 65 and 13 2 is 26. 13 4 is then 5 1 is 5 2 0. So 480. So 480 are the total number of students. Clear, beta? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this area.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now next is now see in a survey in a market research group, a market research group conducted a survey of 1,000 people. Conducted a survey of 1,000 people and reported that 720 and reported that 720 like tea and 450 like coffee Then what is the least number of people? What is the least number of people that must have like both products? That must have like tea and coffee both. Any idea, beta, what we have to do here? So here survey is conducted of 1,000 people, right? So in union set, how many people are there? 1,000. Understood?
Ma'am, n of A plus n of B minus n union B is
Yes.
equal.
So here 1,000, that means this universal set is given. So number of element in union set is 1,000, beta.
Yes.
And number of people like tea. This is 720. And number of people like coffee. This is 450. Clear? So applies first of all the formula T union C. It will be NT plus NC minus and T intersection C. Just put the values and tell me what is your answer.
Ma'am, 170.
It is?
Once.
Ma'am, 170.
Yes, 170. Clear. Good, beta. So now N union. So NT is 720 plus 450, right? Minus N T intersection C. So it will be 1170 minus and T intersection C. Clear? Now you have given that P union Q. Or you can write T union C is a subset of universal set, right? So that means and T union C will be less than equal to number of element in union set. So this is 1170. You can write minus N T intersection C less than 1,000. Less than 1,000. Now subtract it. Then minus T intersection C, or you can transpose this and T intersection C there. So it will be yes, and T intersection C. So this will be 1170 minus 1,000. Okay. So transpose this here. So sign will change when you are transposing the minus sign. So and T intersection C will be greater than equal to 170. So least value is 170 only. Least value is 170. So there can be more people greater than 170. Clear, beta? Understood? Dhanunjaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaswant? Understood, beta?
Ma'am, understood.
Okay.
Clear.
Please note it down it.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. See, one question. See, one question is given like this, that in the adjoining Venn diagram is like this. This is your set P. This is Q and this is R. And elements in union set are 80. Elements in set P is 40. Elements in set Q is 28. Then number of elements in P intersection Q is 12. And number of element in P intersection R is 10. Okay. So you have to first of all mark the elements in each region. Yeah, in P, how many elements are there? In Q, R, how many are there? In Q, R, how many are there? You have to tell this thing. Then you have to find second part. Determine the value of N, P union Q and N, Q union R complement. Have you gotten my point?
Yes.
First of all, see children. Here P intersection Q is 12. So you can write here 12 or not? We can write 12. Now in P set, total 40 elements are there. And P intersection R means 10 elements are there. So it means R contain only 10 elements. Clear? So total are 40. So subtract 10 and 12 from this. 12 and 10. So 40 minus 22, it will be 18. So here 18 elements will lie. Got it, my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to this Q point. Now in Q set, how many elements are there? 28. So subtract 12 from 28. So it will be 16 now. Q will be 28 minus 12. So it will be 16. So this will contain 16. Now see number of elements in 28. So this is your Q set. So it will contain 20 elements. 16 plus 12, 28. Now P set contain 40. So add these 18 plus 12, 30 and 10, 20. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Volume is very low. See, this is your P and this is your Q. In Q, here it is 16 and here is 12. And total element, just check 28 are there. So total means this all, na? This full circle. So just add 16 plus 12. So 28 are there. Now come to this P. So in P, there is one more set. This is your P set, this is your R set. So in R, 10 elements are there and total in P, 40. So that means outer one contain 30 elements. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So 30 plus 10, it will be 20. But intersection part is there. So here it contains 12 elements. So just subtract 30 minus 12. So it will 18. Understood now? Now by joining these three, 18, 12 and 10, we will getting this 40 elements. Clear, beta, Dhanunjay? Just one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just write the values here and calculate P union B. Calculate P union B. Apply this formula. P union B is equal to NP plus NQ minus NP intersection Q. Just put the values. NP is 28. NP is 40 plus 28 minus 12. So 68 minus 12, then it will be
56.
56. Right. Now you have to find QR. Q union R complement. So first of all, calculate NQUR. Now from the figure only you can calculate. See, QUR. This is your Q, U and R. Q union R. This. So QUR. So you will add 16 plus 12 plus 10. So it will be 16 plus 12 plus 10. So 38. Understood, beta? See,
Yes.
this is your P, this is your Q, this is your R. R contain 10 elements. R contain 10 elements. And this contain 12 and this contains 16. So Q is both this. So 20 elements it is containing. And in R, 10 elements. So 28 plus 10, it will be 38. Clear? Now in complement. Complement means rest. So N Q U R complement will be equal to. Now see, in union set, how many elements are there? 80. So you will write here NU minus NQUR. So 80 minus 38. Subtract it, you will get 42. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note it down it.
Ma'am, done.
Dhananjay return?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jaswant has also written. Now
Yes, ma'am.
next see. Out of 100 students, out of 100 students, 15 passed in English, 12 passed in maths, 8 in science. Here three sets are there. 8 in science, 6 in English and maths, 7 in maths and science, 4 in English and science, and 4 in all. Then find how many passed in first part. In English and maths, but sign is there, but not in science. Next is in mathematics only, in maths only. Third is in maths and science, but not in English. But not in English. So with the help of Venn diagram also you can find your answer, beta. See, first of all you will draw a rectangle. Just draw a rectangle. Then draw 3 circles like this. Circle 1, circle 2, and circle 3. Is it clearly visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, this set represent English. This English, this maths, and this is science. Okay. Now, see, out of 100 children, 15 passed in English. Okay. So 15 passed in English. Now see here, where English is written 6. So 15 minus 6, it will be 9. That means 9 students passed in English only. Understood? Now 6 in maths and science. So math and science, this. 6 in English and math. So 9 and 6, how will you represent? Again, see 7 in maths and science, 4th in English and science, 4 in all. So first of all, I'm writing that E. So NE is equal to 15, right? Then NM is 12 and S is 8. Now see beta. Now English and maths. So English and maths intersection is 6 and math and science intersection is 7 and 4 and English and science intersection is 4 and 4 student in all. So English intersection, maths intersection, science. So this contain 4, all 4, this contain. So first of all, come to this English and maths and math or science. So in maths, how many are there? 8 students are in science and in maths 12. So you will write here 2 and here is 3 and this will be 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. And here will be 0 because no intersection is there between this. And here in science, this is 8. So you will write here 1. You have to make 8. Then this is 3. Now check. Have I correct? Have I written correct? See, 7 in math and science. So just check that 7 are passed in or not. 3 and 3, 6 and 1, 7. So math and science 7. Okay. Or 3 and 4, 7. See, 3 and 4, 7. Maths and science. And then English, maths and this. This set is English. So 9 to 11, 11, 4, 15. So 15 students are there in English. Now come to maths. In maths, 12 are there. So count 3 plus 2, 5, 5 and 4. 9 plus 3, 11. Correct. Now 3, 2, 5 and 1, 6 in science. 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8. Correct. So this is correct, beta. Have you gotten my point, or I have to explain with the formula? Tell me, beta.
I'm got it.
Dhananjay,
I'm
this
got
one?
Ma'am, can you once explain the formula also?
Yes.
Go.
With the formula also I will explain. See. We are having this formula now. And A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. Clear? Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to find how many passed in English and maths, but not in science. And how many in maths only. So in maths only, that means it will be maths only means. What do you mean by maths only? That you have to find M minus E. M minus E minus S. So it will not contain English and science. It will contain only maths. Okay. Got it my point? Just wait. I'm explaining it once again. See. Draw a rectangle first of all. Then 3 subjects are there. See, this represent English, this represent maths, and this represents science. Clear? Now in English, math, and science. Now English contain 15 students who are passed in English. So, and 6 students and 12 pass in maths. So I'm writing here all. And EAT 15, NM 12, NS 8. Clear? Now next thing you have given that 7 in maths and science. So 7 in maths and science. This is given 7. And M, English and science. This is given 4. And 4 in all subjects, A union B intersection C. This is 4. Or you can say E. I'm writing here E. E intersection S intersection M. This is 4. And one more thing. I think guess all have written. One more is left. So N 6. Intersection maths is 6. Now see children, what do you mean by this intersection first of all? So M intersection S means the number of students who passed in maths and science in both. And E intersection S means passed in English and science both. And E intersection S intersection M means passed in all 4. Right? So it will be 4 only, beta. See, here, this E intersection comes, this intersection comes, and this. So this will contain 4. Got in my point?
Yes.
Now, in E, 15 students are there who passed. Now 15 minus 4, it will be 11. Got it? It will be 11, 15 minus 4, 11. And M intersection E, there are 6. So 11 minus, so 4 are there, then 15 minus 4, it will be 11. Yes. So now this will contain this element only also. Try to understand this thing better. This contain this also now. See? So 6 are there. Intersection. So it will contain 2. Got it my point? This whole intersection will be 2. 6 only. And in all intersection it come 4. So 6 minus 4 it will be 2. So this part is 2. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. And 15 minus 6 it will be 9. In this way you will be writing here. Got it my point? Or I will explain it again. See beta. Again I am explaining this. Here intersection, this total intersection is 6 given. Right? And this intersection is 4. Only this part is 4. And total is 6. Then this will be 2 only, na? Clear? And this set is 15. Contain 15 student. And this we are having 6. So rest will be 9. Now I think it will be clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Just one, Dhanunjay. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now come to this part now. Now in maths, total are 12 children. So here 12 children are there. Now 4 is in intersection. 4 is in intersection, this intersection. And 2 is this. So it will contain how many? And one more thing, this intersection is also included. See, this one. So this is English and math and science. Math and science contains 7. Now children, 4 is already there, 4 intersection. Then it will contain 3 now. Beta, just
Yes.
take care of these things also. This is 4. We have already calculated this 4. And this whole is 7. So this will be 3 now.
Yes.
Tell me beta, Dhanunjay.
Yes.
Just
ma'am.
one. Again see. This is 4. And this whole is 7. So this will be 3. So 4 plus 3 and this 2. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And this will be 3. Then set B contain 12 elements. Got it?
Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in number of student in science is 8. Now already you have written here 4 and here 3. So it will contain only 1. And this will be 0. Now I think it is clear how to represent all the elements in Venn diagram. Beta, got it my point? This contain 3 and this contain 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And this contain 12 only. See, in maths, 12 children are there who passed. Now come to the science part. In science, how many are passed? Only 8. 4 plus 3 already we are having in science part. So this will contain 0. And 4 plus 3 plus 1, it will be 8. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this question, you have asked, how many students are passed in maths? So you can calculate now. See the Venn diagram. How many are passed in maths? See this, 3 only. See, they are containing not any other subject. Only 3 children are passed in maths only. If I'm asking about science, that how many are passed in science only? Only 1. And how many are passed in only English? There are 9. Got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Now, if I will ask you that passed in more than one subject, passed in more than one subject, just add the intersection part. 2, 4 and 3. 2, this 2, 4 and 3. These. So it will be 2 plus 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 plus 7 is 9. So 9 children are there who passed in more than one subject. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now, on the basis of today's class only, I will give you homework. And on Tuesday test also, you will see these questions in your test. And children, kindly attempt your test on daily basis. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Have you understood today's class? All the questions which we have done in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are facing any difficulty, beta, just WhatsApp me. I will clear your doubts. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Happy Holi, children?
Happy Holi.
Now on Tuesday, there will be class only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, children. Happy Holi.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Good evening, all of you.